Are you a woman going through midlife? And perhaps this stage of your life, you really are ready to take your business to the next level or take your career to the next level, but it feels like your body is letting you down. Hi, I'm Sally Thibault. I'm midlife wellness and EFT expert. Do you know, as you're going through midlife, the hormones in your body may be feeling like they're totally out of control. Maybe you're gaining weight around your middle, even though you've changed nothing about your diet or exercise routine. Maybe you're experiencing brain fog and suddenly you're just frustrated because you forget somebody's name in the middle of a sentence, or you just don't feel as productive as you used to. Maybe you're having trouble sleeping or waking up at 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning, bathed in sweat, and then lie there worrying that you're not going to have the energy to get through the next day. Or maybe your moods are all over the place and suddenly you're angry or sad or emotional or in love, all within the first 5 minutes of the day. Do you know, going through this menopausal transition is a little like a chrysalis. As the chrysalis evolves into a butterfly, there's some challenges that we have to go through in order for that transformation to occur. Did you know your brain totally changes during menopause? Do you know that your gut totally changes during menopause? And all the while, suddenly things that used to work for you don't any longer. Do you know, I created the Stronger, Leaner, Lighter program and this channel to help you get through that. In my experience, I've worked with hundreds of women who go through menopause very different from each other. In fact, just because you know one woman going through menopause means you know one woman going through menopause, because the menopausal journey for every woman is different. But the way that you help navigate that change is to feel stronger physically, emotionally, and spiritually, leaner physically, emotionally, and spiritually, and lighter physically, emotionally, and spiritually. It's not just a physical transformation you're going through. You're going through a total transformation, the way you think, the way you feel, and you come out of it on the other side feeling more confident, more focused, more energetic, and more intuitive than you've ever been in your life. So on my channel, I have hundreds of videos for you to view on nutrition and exercise and mindset and EFT, evidence-based modality that helps reduce stress. And once you reduce that stress, you can help you make better choices about the things that will help you during this transformation. You know, so many decisions we make as we're going through menopause is because we're so overwhelmed and tired and exhausted. It's very different from the decisions you make when you're feeling really empowered. So I invite you to like and subscribe so that you can see the new videos that go up each week. And I also invite you to reach out to me if you are interested in learning more about my coaching programs, where I work with you to help map out a solution that works for you. As I said, every woman's journey through midlife is as unique as you are. So remember to subscribe and like, and I look forward to helping you transform this incredible journey to feel stronger, leaner, and lighter, more so than you have felt your entire life. I'll see you soon.